Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply lock or password protected your Excel workbook, preventing people from editing, deleting, or formatting of any shell in your Microsoft Excel without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on review. Under the review, go ahead and click on protect workbook, and this is going to pop up right here. Then make sure structure is checked. Then go ahead and enter your password right here, and go ahead and hit on OK. Then go ahead and make sure you type in your password. And remember, the password needs to be something you have always remember. You can write the password down somewhere, actually, in case you want to have access back to the document. And from there, you can easily remember the password. So remember, always use a password you can easily remember. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on OK right here. So lastly, go ahead and click on protect sheets. Then right here, you have to assign some of the area you want to protect, like formatting row, insert column, then edit objects, insert edit scenario, and make sure this is also checked. And go ahead and enter the same password, hit on OK. Then go ahead and enter the password, hit on OK, go. And the document has fully locked. So if anybody click on it, this is going to pump up. It's not going to allow them to work or do anything on the document. Just like what you see right here. Everything here is fully locked. It's that simple. Lastly, you can go ahead and then make sure you come to the top right here, click on File, and then go ahead and click on Save As, and browse your file destination. Then you can save the documents in whatever format of your choice. So I'm going to say password, protect, then close the bracket. I'm going to go ahead and save it in my desktop right here. And I'll go ahead and hit on save, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Microsoft Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.